To cap off your build, there's one thing you need, and that is an entire AE86 Unibuy.
Yes.
It's for sale in China right now. You can buy an entire AE86.
Stamped out in this factory right here.
Yeah, they stamp them out.
That's sick.
Build the AE86 of your dreams, right?
Simping on fofos, still simping on fofos.
AliExpress sells some interesting things.
Oh, yeah?
I really don't know how to frame this, to be honest with you.
Let's say we wanted to build, I don't know, a tofu delivery car.
Okay,
that's something we really wanted to build.
Okay.
Period correct 1990s build of a 1980s tofu delivery car.
Yes,
That's the dream.
that's the dream.
All right, well,
What can China do for you?
here's what. You can get a full set of watts for $200.
Be water, my friend.
4 cartons is 1 wheel a carton?
One wheel a carton. That's what I think.
Yeah.
Let me select 4 hole.
Just like him.
And then you gotta sign in, so we're getting stuck right here. But it does appear
Just sign up.
neck year 57.
No, don't be naked. Be
Well, so AliBaba's the one for buying shit in bulk. Don't you want to do this on Express?
I don't know if they sell the wheels on AliExpress.
The only Watanabes I'm finding on AliExpress are for like diecast cars, like 1/18 scale.
Yeah, you gotta stick to the true classic AliBaba if you really wanna get one over on the JDM scene.
We're about the CDM.
Oh yeah, is there a size on there? Is this actually like a real wheel, or is this a kit, like a diecast wheel?
Is this offside
yeah,
here?
real size.
30 inch.
Yeah.
Genuine Watanabe.
Damn, he's got a whole storage unit full of these.
I was gonna say, there's the container.
no. This is like Dom's gang stealing shit from Fast and Furious, dude.
Yeah.
Somebody reviews. What are the reviews like?
Got a whole stash to sell.
Look at some monster named Jerk in America.
He's been ripping people off in the States
Yeah, he's been slinging this crap.
with fake Watanabes.
This guy must have equipped like every single AE86 in America when he bought these. But yeah, you can buy real Watanabes on
Real.
You know, for
on
about
AliBaba.
$200 a set.
Look at that.
Oh, there you go. That's what you can look like.
Yeah, it'll be you.
Yeah.
That could be you.
I like how the fake one here looks better than the actual Trueno one they did, but that's fine.
Yeah, this is a better color scheme
better
for sure.
version.
But also, this is like
Yeah.
a 17 or 18 inch wheel being shown here, and we only got
And
16.
not a 4 on 100.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't know
Oh,
this,
yeah.
but Watanabe is a wholly owned subsidiary of Shanghai Uniracing Alu Co. Limited on AliBaba.
So you already got the wheels. How about a universal ND steering wheel for only $17 a pop, but you do have to buy a minimum of 10 of them.
Be water,
So
my friend.
170. You buy 10 for 170.
What's a
and you
Nardi
sell-
cost? $300?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then you sell the rest for like 100 a pop.
You're rolling.
And with 10, you can have one for every day of the week for all 10 days.
Yeah, you just swap it out every day.
What weird ass calendar do you have?
Islamic calendar.
That's weird to you, dude?
That's
Yeah.
weird. What?
SMH.
Anyways, yeah, like
Yeah,
Way to be
Is this like
xenophobic,
a
dude.
microfiber leather. That's totally a
do I need to make an
material that I've
apology
seen.
video now? God damn it.
Comes with a USB cable. It's pretty cool, man.
Why?
Hell yeah.
What do you plug in?
That's the horn button.
That's the horn.
Fire.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
You think you can get these custom for $17 a pop?
Oh, for sure.
You think we could get the CCF
Yo.
logo put on that center
Like,
cap?
no, that shit's got to
For
be
sure.
embroidered around this outside.
No, it's
Like
got to
the
be
car
like
feet.
Anime girls all
oh.
around the outside.
Yeah.
No, we need to get the words in there. Like, what's the what the key is racing ones? Like, we got to get like words stitched into the top of it.
Oh, yeah,
across-
do they sell
I
Yeah,
know
yeah.
what I have.
Yeah. Like right across the top third of it, it should just say busting.
Or like, what if the
Busted.
whole thing it was like skin colored, and you have stitching that looks like veins all the way around.
Damn.
I think you're onto
I'll
something.
contact supplier about that.
Coming soon.
We need to get with Guangzhou Yuxu District Brie car accessories firm.
Yeah, see if they'll do a sponsorship.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming soon to the collectorcarfeed.com/store at the ND steering wheel microfiber leather rally steering wheel with logo.
We'll see if they're at that
14 inch.
really sad Chinese area of SEMA.
We got to hit up Guangzhou Incel Auto Parts Co. Limited.
Incel.
Incel Auto Parts.
Yo, they got the logo brand,
Yeah, they got logos.
It's a offshoot.
genuine logos.
Oh, dude, this one's made entirely out of dildo.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh,
It's probably
yo.
made in the same factory as actual dildo.
You got to sit somewhere. Why not the fakest looking bride seat you've ever seen.
The black
Like how the eye
brides.
is just missing in the seam. There's no eye. It's just
It's a
BRD. Yeah.
It's French.
It's a bidet.
French.
Completely missing.
Fake as
That's okay though.
No, they're legit.
What's the
It's side
what's
rails.
the dead giveaway? Isn't like the sideways B or something? Like isn't like the one of the letters like dangles or something?
I mean, you can just look at it a lot of the times, and it's like, yeah, this thing looks like a piece of shit.
I would trust that in an
No,
accident.
And then, like, really, my go-to a lot of times is if the person has 2 seats, they're fake.
That's a good
Because they
starting
sell
point.
the fakes in pairs.
$159 a piece plus shipping. Now shipping's pretty expensive. Yeah, $381 in shipping, but you're still
But that's
in
still
for
600. No, about $700 for
Yeah.
2 seats.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Why you don't buy two?
which is the cost of 1 seat. Well, not
That's
even. You
like
know,
part of one seat. Yeah,
part of 1 seat without even the slider.
your roasters are like $1,200 now a piece.
Damn.
I
Are
just
they really?
Yeah,
God,
can't
you
wait
ass.
for
just order 1,000. Get a whole shipping container of these.
Yeah,
Spread out the shipping cost between each.
in for
It's
$119.
called business.
just the thin aluminum metal that holds those to your seat rails is just phenomenal. So a 35-mile-an-hour crash,
Listen to
everything
this.
shears off, and
Dude,
you're eating
God,
dashboard.
listen to this.
He's planning on crashing.
Yeah,
I like the Among Us seats.
Yeah, dude.
Some say he wants to
Among
crash.
Us.
These seats are sus, dude. The black one is sus.
I think that
Look at it.
seatbelt holes are even, they got like eye shaped.
Put it down in chat. Which one's the imposter?
Trying to talk some shit. Discord.gg/feed. Let's talk some shit.
You're gonna need an engine, right?
Yeah, for sure.
And I didn't see any 4A GEs for sale, but they do have 2JZ GTEs, no
2JZ, no.
with the 6 cylinders.
How many
with
cylinders
the
do you
2
want?
cylinders. We're
Jesus.
gonna
Get
add
all
up
of them.
all the cylinders, dude. We're getting them all. No, we're gonna do
Give me the other. I want the other.
No, you save the most money if you get 3 2-cylinders.
That's the rotary. Yeah.
There's no way to select the transmission. It says that it comes with either a 5 or 6 speed, but
This is with 5 and 6 speeds.
oh, you get both.
It's an 11 speed.
Look, ultimately,
like a
it's
truck?
the very maximum this could possibly cost you is $2,100 for a 2JZ engine. No shit.
Be water,
So,
my
I
friend.
don't see how you're losing here.
Oh,
What
but
could go
also,
wrong?
shipping solutions for the selected quantity are unavailable.
So is it a used engine or are they reproducing
It's
2Js?
gotta be. It's gotta be a used engine.
be.
Ain't nobody making
It's-
new ones.
Oh, there it is.
I guarantee you send your money and you never get anything.
That's
The
probably
fact
a
that
fair
it's
bet.
The fact that it's a diesel is a little suspect.
But then you scroll down and it says it's actually a 2.5 liter 1JZ GE.
Replacement.
Or
For,
It's a
but it's
replacement
also
engine for-
four car.
Okay, this is very confusing, but you could do it. And you can also get secondhand
look at
tires
all
in
that
bulk for $35 a pop.
Be water, my
Look at
friend.
bricks of aluminum.
Yo.
Yeah.
Damn.
50 metric tons for $80? That's a f***ing steal, dude.
You could make a house out of it.
Yo, why are we building shit out of
You can
wood
make your
anymore?
own wheels, man. Just melt
Mina's
those
online
down.
shop.
Mina rules.
Where's
Yeah.
the what is that?
Fished out of the Pacific garbage patch just
Philippines?
for you.
That's
Is
gotta
that-
be the Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines.
Is that going to be per metric ton? $80 for a single metric ton, and then you have to get 50?
I think so.
How on
Yeah,
earth
it's
does
just-
this
I don't
work?
know.
How on earth could this possibly
I would
work?
go back down.
Just
go back
chat with
down.
them. I would like to send a metric. I
They're
would like to
German
send.
cans. I don't know
Oh,
about
I
that.
would like to send metric tons of scrap to my enemy. Please tell me how many I need to buy.
The price is $350 per metric ton. These cost more than they do in America.
And you can buy rotaries. There's a 13B at the bottom, 20B.
Oh, it's a home one.
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Also from Mina's online shop.
It's from
Strangely
Homo.
enough, she's got a bunch of, recycled aluminum and K20s.
But to cap off your build, right, there's one thing you need, and that is an entire AE86 unibody.
Yes.
This is a reproduction AE86 unibody. You've probably already seen this, but it's for sale in China right now. You can buy an entire AE86 minus everything except for, the chassis. And I guess the doors and the
Stamped out in
fenders.
this factory right here.
Yeah, but
they
like-
stamp them out.
Build
That's
the
sick.
AE86 of your dreams, right?
$8,000, but you have to buy a minimum of 10,
Damn.
$7,000 if you buy 50 or more. So,
water,
Cletus
my friend.
McFarland, I think I know what you need for the next Freedom 500. Just
No.
50 of these.
Click on that most popular in steel auto parts.
Yeah, this is number 9. What's the rest?
What's the rest?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not in order, but number 1 is wholesale China King steel auto parts from $1 to $10, and it's just like an array of things.
Bunch.
Oh, look, you
Nice.
get an Escort Mark II.
Ooh.
What else?
Is that what we're coming to now? You got to buy like China-made frames,
You can buy hair.
shells.
I hate to say it, but like it always has been. Like all those aftermarket parts are always like Taiwanese or Chinese.
I know that. I mean,
Brazil.
like this has to be a relatively new concept, right?
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
Just
I
buying
think
an
so.
entire shell.
Just load up a shipping container and there you go.
This is Yangzhou Bodhi Auto Parts Co.
Bodhi.
Limited, but this one's Yangzhou Flame Light Industrial Products Co. Limited.
Damn.
They had to diversify.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. This is their domestic USDM line.
Oh, I
Well,
see.
that's the one is that's the company that can run on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then the other one because of the power laws they run on Thursday
Yeah.
and Friday.
Ah, that makes sense.
These images don't work very well from China. We're getting some interference, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
you're gonna
Oh,
try to
some-
see if
some
there's weed
Confederents.
in this site.
Oh yeah, the fake weed. You
Search like
kratom.
Search SR20.
ash.
What's this? What is that?
Oh, they
What?
already
Oh
know.
my God.
They already know what you want.
What?
I don't know,
I'm
man.
not entirely sure what
You buy
we're
drugs
looking
from
at.
Germany? What?
Let's just find some research
Look
chemicals.
at that.
Search Rosebud toy.
Oh, Jesus.
This thing, it doesn't even want me to. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, you get the idea.
Oh hell yeah.
Oh, damn, $4. Oh, you can buy one for $6 and easy
Damn.
return. Yo.
Oh
I will not
Yo.
click on any of these. It will get graphic.
it's not gonna get graphic.
Let's see if SRs are available. Well, we got some max
You think-
peating rods.
I was gonna say, you think Max Speeding Rod sells here?
Guaranteed. They probably buy here, actually.
Yeah, it's the same factory. 1800 right there, dude, for that red top.
Oh, there's the racing stuff right there. That's cool.
Classic.
Minimum order 10 piece. Still, that ain't bad.
Hot product with high material. That means they're stolen.
What the is that?
Oh,
Yo, that's
Ismo.
not an SR20.
It's the ISMO version, yeah.
What is that?
That's the
Like a-
ISM.
Like a forklift motor?
Was that a straight 6? I don't even know. That's a tractor motor,
diesel.
man.
Tractor motor, yeah. Damn, man. Japanese engines really gone down in size over time.
Yeah.
It's a
A
Cummins.
couple of those would go hard before Race Wars.
They'd pull a premium before Race Wars, but yes.
Thank you. I couldn't remember the line.
SR20 really
Busting.
suck your before race wars.
That was the line
All
in
right.
the parody.
Well, we looked at the
Well, that
Chinese.
yeah, that's
Really,
something, man.
we saw this was for sale, and I wanted to mention it, and we needed to frame it somehow. So
Who's gonna
there
end
you
up
go.
buying like a minimum 10 of these?
I don't know. Nobody.
Somebody would have to really business it out.
What?
I guess.
I mean,
Say who's gonna buy 10 of these?
Oh yeah, who's gonna be the person to take the first bite?
Yeah.
Someone's got to have done it. Like, there's got to be some YouTuber
If
that's
I
already
had-
ordered
yeah,
them and is
if I-
waiting for them to come in for
Yeah.
the video.
if I was like an Adam LZ type, I'd have already ordered 10 of these and be waiting
For
for 'em
sure.
right now.
Oh, Ryan Dinovich needs to do it.
Yeah, Ryan Danovich
No.
needs to step up with his Bitcoin money and buy a few of these, you know? Drift
Yeah,
season
what
Don't even
2025 is
take
coming up.
delivery of 10 of these.
You could have a whole fleet of drift cars.
You could.
All right.